Hello, virtual preschool friends. I am so excited to see you today. Let's get started with our song from Miss Nancy. Do you remember? This week we're singing Ball for Baby. Here she is.
Hello, Miss Jamie. Hello, virtual preschool friends. This week we are reciting the poem Ball for Baby from Wonderful You. Here's a ball for baby, nice and small and round. And here are baby's hammers, pound, pound, pound. And here is baby clapping, clap and clap like so. And here are baby soldiers, all in a row. And here is baby's trumpet, toot-toot-toot-toot-toot. And here is baby hiding, peek-a-boo. And here is an umbrella to keep the baby dry. And this is how we go to sleep. Rock-a-bye. Let's do it again a little bit faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a ball for baby, nice and small and round. And here are baby's hammers, pound, pound, pound. And here is baby clapping, clap and clap like so. And here are baby soldiers, all in a row. And here is baby's trumpet, toot-toot-toot-toot-toot. And here is baby hiding, peek-a-boo. And here is an umbrella to keep the baby dry. And this is how we go to sleep. Rock-a-bye. Thank you for reciting Ball for Baby with me. Now it's time to go back to Miss Jamie. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Miss Nancy. Should we wake up Daphne Duck? Because I think Betsy is still visiting her grandma today. I see Daphne's orange feet back there. I think if you call her, she'll come out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Say, Daphne, where are you? Oh, Daphne Duck. Hello, friend. Are you taking a nap back there? Yes. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you? Hello, Daphne. How are you? Hello, Miss Jamie. How are you? We're so glad to see you. Here, here. We're all here. Here, here. We're all here. Here, here. We're all here. We're all here together. Yay! Daphne, have you heard anything from Betsy? No, I think she'll be back soon though, right? Friends, this week with Daphne, we've been learning about plants. Now, we know that most living things that grow and change, most living things are either an animal or a plant. And this week we're learning all about plants. Today, we're going to look a little bit closer at the parts of a plant. And I have 2 pictures to show you first. Do you have any plants in your house like this friend? This friend is taking care of a house plant. House plants are good to have in your house. They will keep the air clean because plants give off oxygen and we breathe oxygen in our lungs. The parts of the plant, there are 4 main parts of the plant that we're going to talk about today. And this is a really good picture of the roots of the plant. The roots grow underground and they act like little straws, like they're drinking up the water from the dirt. So when it rains and the dirt gets wet, then the roots' job is to drink up the water and get it up here to the plant. They also take in nutrients, that means like vitamins, from the dirt and help keep the plant healthy. There are 4 main parts of a plant, and I went out to my garden and picked a plant. I actually dug up the roots so that we could look at it a little bit. So let me take this out. It's a little drippy wet. I didn't want the roots to get really dry. And show you the parts of this plant. So this plant, well, I have two parts of a plant here. This plant is a little flower that's in my garden. Do you see that little yellow flower? And I wanted to show you what's underneath the dirt in the plant. Do you see all of these stringy parts that go underneath the dirt? There's even some dirt stuck to them. Some of them are really thick, like this one, and some of them are really teeny tiny. And friends, those are the roots. They grow underneath the dirt and help the plant have water and vitamins and nutrients. And the second part of the plant that we're going to talk about is the stem. That's this long part whose job is to bring the water up to the flower. And a really important part of a plant is this part. You know what this is called, right? What are these green things on the plant? They are what? Leaves. Now, did you know the leaves have an important job? The leaves' job is to soak up the sunshine and make the food for the flower, for the plant. Some plants, like this one, have already been cut and the roots are cut off. So this one is just the flower and the stem and some itty bitty little leaves, but no roots because this flower has already been cut. Did you know a plant's a special living thing, living thing, living thing? A plant's a special living thing. It makes its own food. It doesn't eat breakfast or lunch, breakfast or lunch, breakfast or lunch. It doesn't eat breakfast or lunch. The leaves do all the work. Yes, the leaves of the plant, their job is to soak up the sunshine. And then they use the sunshine. And it's a magical process where they make their own food for the plant. Not like breakfast food or lunch food, special plant food. Do you want to know the big science word that means that the leaves make the food for the plant? It's a really big word. It might be the biggest word we've ever learned in virtual preschool. Do you think you want to know what this really big science word is? Okay, put your thinking cap on. Here it goes. The word is photosynthesis. Can you say that? Say photosynthesis. And photosynthesis means that the leaves can take the sunshine and make food for the plant. Isn't that interesting? I wonder if you could tell your grown-up next time you're outside and the sun is shining and the plants are growing, you could say, I think those plants are doing photosynthesis. And your grown-up will say, what? How did you know such a big, smart science word like photosynthesis? And you'll say, I just have a smart brain. Oh, like that. Oh, good. We are going to talk about the parts of the plant. I told you that there are 4 main parts. And so I wonder if I show you a part of the plant, if you can help me figure out where it is on this picture. This part says flower. Where's the flower on this picture? Do you see it? Can you point to it? What color is the flower? Yes, the flower's orange and yellow, and we're going to label the picture with the word flower. And the arrow says this is the flower. Let's find another label. This label says leaf. Where is the leaf? There are actually 2. Where are the leaves on the flower picture? Do you see them? Yes. And what color are they? Green. Let's label the leaf here on the picture. The leaf is green. Well done. Let's do another one. This label says stem. Remember, the stem is this long part of the plant that helps the water get all the way up to the flowers. Can you find the stem on this picture? What color is it? Light green. Yes, we will label the picture here to say stem. Well done. And the last label that I have, this label says roots. Remember, the roots grow underground and they act like little straws, drinking up the water and nutrients from the dirt. Can you find the roots on this picture? What color are they? Tell me. Yes, they're sort of tan and they're down here underneath the dirt. And we can label the roots like this, roots. Well done. So there are 4 parts of the flower. I'll say one and then you echo me back like an echo, like in a tunnel. Say echo. Ready? I'll say flower and you say flower. Leaf. Leaf. Good. Stem. Stem. And roots. Roots. You did it. Wow. Give your brain another kiss. Brain. It knows photosynthesis and you know the parts of a plant. Nice work. We are going to sing a little plant song over here now. This song will help us learn how to spell the word plant. Would you like to help me spell the word plant? Here are the letters for plant. Say P, L, A, N, and the last letter is T. Good. To spell plant, we have to say these 5 letters. P, L, A, N, T. And of course, there's a song to go with it. It goes like this. You put the seed down in the soil and give it lots of water. P-L-A-N-T, P-L-A-N-T, P-L-A-N-T. A plant begins to grow. Did you sing with me? Should we try it one more time? All right, I want to hear your singing voices. You put the seeds down in the soil and give it lots of water. P-L-A-N-T, P-L-A-N-T, P-L-A-N-T. A plant begins to grow. What happens if we turn over the letter P? On the back it says dig. There's the word dig. So this time we're going to say dig, L-A-N-T. Ready? Get the seeds. You put the seed down in the soil and give it lots of water. Dig, L-A-N-T, dig, L-A-N-T, dig, L-A-N-T. A plant begins to grow. What if we turn over this L and on the back we have another dig. So 2 digs. Dig, dig, A-N-T. Get your seeds ready. You put the seeds down in the soil and give it lots of water. Dig, dig, A-N-T. Dig, dig, A-N-T. Dig, dig, A-N-T. A plant begins to grow. What if we turn over the A? What's on the back? Another dig. This time we're going to say dig 3 times. Dig, 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 N-T. Are you ready? Get your seeds out. You put the seed down in the soil and give it lots of water. Dig, 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 N-T. Dig, 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 N-T. Dig, 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 N-T. A plant begins to grow. Should we turn over the N? Okay. Another dig. That's 4 digs and a T. Ready? Get your seeds out. You put the seeds down in the soil and give it lots of water. Dig, 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 T. Dig, 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 T. Dig, 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 T. A plant begins to grow. And should we turn over the last letter? The letter T? The last dig. Okay, this time we're going to say dig, 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 dig. And you have to get your shovel out and get ready to dig. You put the seeds down in the soil and give it lots of water. Dig, 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 dig. A plant begins to grow. Wow, good job. Do you remember the letters for the word plant? What's the first letter? P. Yes, say it. Say P. Good. And the next letter? L. Woo, you're good at your letter sounds. Plant. Yes. P-L-A-N. Good. And the last one, P-L-A-N. Say it. T. Good. A plant begins to grow. Good singing. Oh, friends, I love when we do songs like that together. It makes me smile. Today, I have a book for you, and the title is a little funny. It's called Plants Can't Sit Still. Has anyone ever asked you to sit still? You have to hold really still and sit nicely. Well, plants can't sit still. Of course not, because they're not animals, they're plants. But in this book, we talk about all of the ways that plants do move. Plants Can't Sit Still by Rebecca Hirsch. And the illustrations, the beautiful pictures in this book are by Mia Posada. Let's read Plants Can't Sit Still. There's the title page. Plants don't have feet or fins or wings, yet they can move in many ways. Look closely and you'll discover that plants can't sit still. Plants can wiggle. As seedlings start to grow, they squirm out of the spring soil, unfold their leaves, and reach for the warmth and the light. Plants can creep. They slither underground and crawl through tall grass, searching for the things that all plants need: water, sunshine, and room to grow. Do you know what kind of plants those are? Strawberry plants. Yep. And as they search, plants can climb a fence or walk up a wall. Plants can hide from a hungry grasshopper or surprise a fly. Snap! This interesting plant is called a Venus flytrap. And what happens is it has almost like a mouth, and the leaves open up, and then when the fly goes inside, the plant goes and catches the fly in its trap. Some plants sleep at night, leaves nodding, flowers folding. Others wake with the stars and lift their faces to the moon. Plants can tumble on a breeze, whoosh. As they bounce along, seeds sprinkle out. Plants can even explode. They fling their seeds into the world to make new plants. A seed is a plant built for travel. Seeds can whirl like helicopters, or float like parachutes, or glide on papery wings, but they can't sit still. Seeds hitchhike on your sock. You see all those seeds stuck to the sock? Or on a fox's bushy tail. They take a ride inside a bear. Seeds set sail, sploosh, down the river, past swaying trees, into the wide ocean, drifting, waiting for what all plants need: water, sunshine, and room to grow. When the seed finds a spot, the seedling squirms out. It unfolds its leaves. It reaches for the warmth and the light. And it keeps on moving because plants can't sit still. In the back of this book, there's some information about all of the different plants that are illustrated in the book. It's an interesting one. This one that says that they come out at night is called a moonflower. And it opens up at night, a moonflower. Do you have any plants at your house or around outside where you live? I wonder if you could go on a hunt or a walk and look at all of the different plants. Maybe you'll see grass, flowers, trees, bushes, maybe even some weeds like a dandelion in the yard. You could go looking for plants. And if you find any, I have an idea for you, something fun to do if you can find some plants near your house. So you have to ask your grown-up, but maybe you could pick one plant or one piece of a plant, or maybe you have a plant in your house or some flowers in your house, and you can use the plant for some scissors practice. So for this flower, I have, it was from an old bouquet of flowers. It was getting ready to go in the trash because it was all dried up. And we can look at all of the different parts with a magnifying glass. And you could even ask your grown-up if you could practice cutting the parts with your scissors. So we could cut the leaves off. These plants were on my kitchen table for a long time. They were so pretty, and now they're almost done. So I cut all the leaves off, and now I have some leaves that I can look at the parts of the leaf. Maybe you have a magnifying glass, or you could just look at it with your eyes. And you could look at the inside of the stem and see if you can see if it looks like a straw. And you might even be able to pick apart the flower part and see what you notice with the petals. And then look what's on the inside if I take all of the petals off. Do you see that? It's the pollen. Yeah, so you could spend some time being a scientist. One thing that scientists do is they look really closely, they observe. So you look with your eyes, you could feel the parts with your fingers, you could smell and see if you can learn more about plants by finding all of the different parts. The seeds, the leaves, the stem, the flower, and maybe even the roots of the plant. Friends, I had fun talking about parts of a plant with you today, but it is time for us to call Daphne to come back and say goodbye. Can you help me call Daphne? 1, 2, 3. Say, Daphne, come back. Come on, Daphne duck. Hello, friends. Oh, I liked learning about the roots and the stems and the leaves and the flowers. Plants are interesting. Do you agree? All right, Daphne, it's time to sing goodbye to our friends now. Preschool time is over now, over now, over now. Preschool time is over now for another day. Wave goodbye to all of our friends, all of our friends, all of our friends. Wave goodbye to all of our friends. It's time to stay home and play. Hip, hip, hooray! Do you have any birdseed for Daphne? Okay, get a big handful. Daphne's going to show you your play pack. Here's the play pack for plants. It has some fun ideas for how you can move your body and be a scientist who observes different parts of the plant. If you decide to do one of those activities, would you share a picture? I love looking at all the things you show me, all the ways that you play and learn after our video is over. Okay, throw the birdseed this way. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, friends. Would you like to catch one of Daphne's duck kisses? Hold your hand out like this. Here it comes. Catch it. Stick it to your cheek. Give yourself a big hug from Miss Jamie and Daphne Duck. We think you're so kind and special. We can't wait to see you again next time. Bye-bye, friends.